Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate to all students for passing 9th standard and entering in 10th standard. Today is our first period of virtual classes or online classes. Today we will start the period of social science. Students, as you well aware that social science has three subjects specially. First is history and political science and third is geography. Now here whatever you are seeing on the screen, this is the title page of textbook belong to history and political science. So let's see what are the things are there, which types of lessons are there in history and political science. Students, this is the content page of history. Almost 9 lessons are there in the history, starting with the lesson number 1, historiography development in the West, up to lesson number 4, heritage management. This is the one part of history. Now I request to all the students, please take screenshot of this page in order to note down the different lessons in history. Now we move to the second segment of this subject, that is political science. Political science is also have almost 5 lessons. Lesson number 1 is working of the constitutions, up to lesson number 5, challenges faced by the democracy. Once again I request to all the students, please note it down the different lesson name in political science. Students, now we move to start the lesson number 1 from history. The lesson number 1 of history, as we know that the title of the lesson is historiography development in the West. What is its title? Historiography development in the West. Historiography means what? If you search this word in the dictionary, you will find the meaning. Historiography means writing of the history. Writing of the history. What about this writing of the history and where it happened? The development of writing of history in the West. Here the word West is not belong to the direction. Here this word West considered as a European civilization. So in this lesson we are going to study the writing of history, historiography, that development in the West, means that writing of history developed. Where it developed? It developed in the West or Europe. So let's start the lesson. It has almost 4 sub points. Point number 1.1 is tradition of historiography. What are the traditions we are going to study in this sub point? Second, 1.2, modern historiography. Modern means what? After 17th century, when the industrialization took place in the Europe, that era is called as a modern or modern history. Sub point number 3, 1.3, that belongs to development of scientific perspective in Europe. See here, the word is there. Well, Europe. What we are saying, west. West means what? West, it is considered here as a Europe. Whatever the historical things, whatever the historical events or activity took place in the Europe, that we are going to study. Europe. And historiography. Historiography means writing of history. Sub point number 4, that is 1.4, notable scholars. Scholar means what? Those who are doing the study of a particular subject, those who are having the good knowledge of a particular subject, they are called as a scholar. Let's start the lesson. Student, pay your attention, listen carefully. Historical research, writing and studies are carried out with an objective of understanding the chronology. The chronology, I request you, please note it down, the meaning of chronology. Chronology means what? Event in a orders. Whatever the events happen in the past, that noting in a order called as chronology of the past. What are the events happened in the past? Events, their interconnections. Interconnections means what? Every event has an interconnection between 1 and 2, between past and future, like that, interconnection. In history, there are always interconnection between each and every event. So in this historical research, in historical study, in writing of history, what we are going to study? We are going to study the carried out objectives of understanding chronology. We are going to study, we are going to write the historical people. We are going to study the writing of what? Chronology. Chronology of what? Past event. Past event. Past event means what? What happened in the 11th century, what happened in the 12th century, like that. And this 11th century or 12th century or 3rd century or 17th century, they are having interconnection. They are having interconnection. I would like to give the one example. There is an interconnection of Britishers. They came to India. One simple question I would like to ask you. Why Britishers came to India? Yes, very good, beta. Because they heard about the India, that there are a lot of things, lot of raw materials are available in India. So in order to took that raw material in their country and produce the finished product and selling that product in the India, Britishers came in India. So there is always interconnection. Interconnection between what? Past event. Interconnection between what? Past event. Hope you understand. This is a continuous process. Now you will say that how it is continuous process? It is a continuous process. Take the example. For example, right now we are suffering from national wise lockdown due to corona issue. Okay. Now you will see that, you will think that, sir, how this corona issue will become a history? Okay. After 2020, in 2021 or 2022, this corona event, this national wise lockdown will become the part and parcel of history. The part and parcel of history. That's why it says continuous process. It never stops. History never stops. It is a continuous process. Well, in the physical and natural sciences, the empirical method means what? That's going to take place with the help of laboratory method of experiment and observation. Means the method which took place with the help of laboratory method of experiments and observations. Now you will think, you will ask me the question, sir, what the things are going on in history in laboratory? These are not the chemicals what we are testing, what we are making in laboratory. Laboratory here it's refer with the science, with the technology. Okay, whatever the experience people took in the different era, whatever the observation they had made in the different parts of the world, that is going to be studied, and that method called as empirical method is used to verify the available knowledge. This empirical method is used. What for it is used? It is used to verify. Verify means cross check. What is going to be cross check? The available knowledge. Available knowledge in what? In history. Whatever the knowledge are available of the history, it is going to verify. Before writing something about the history, the knowledge should be verified. Verify means what? Whether it correct, whether it true or wrong. This method allow formulating law that remain true irrespective of the time and space. Okay, by following this empirical method, it helps to formulating the law. Law means it doesn't going to deal with the what the laws were making for the constitution. It's not like that. Okay, it helps to make the different laws. Different laws means what? Different traditions, different habits, irrespective of time and space. For example, if you are living in northern part of Russia, if you are living in England, there is a habitual to have drinks. Okay, but as far as the matter of India, the tradition of India are concerned, we don't have the habits of the drinks. So that's why it says that irrespective of time and space. Space means where you are living. You are living in Europe, you are living in India, or you are living in African continents. The traditions are differ, the laws are differ, the habits are differ. Those laws can be tested and proved repeatedly. Before making any law, it's essential to test it. Test means what? It's not going to test in lunch and dinner. Okay, test means what? Whether it is suitable for the society, whether it is going to be benefits for the society or not. And after getting the approval or after getting the testing of that law, it is going to be approved, it is going to be implemented. Okay, in historical research it may not be possible to use the method. Sometime in historical research it's not possible always to follow which method? Empirical method. Okay.